Hello everyone, I am Vichara Besinga. Today I am going to explain the Access, Microsoft Access, the databases. Even though we have more tutorials in Excel, but I already did 2 tutorials in Excel, according to many students' request, I'm going to start the Access tutorial today. Access means we used to store data in a table. Other than the tables in Access, there are forms, reports, and queries. Today I'll explain you how to create a form. So I already opened Access, the database called stationery. There are 3 tables in the left side: customers, orders, and products. I'm going to see the customers data sheet view by double clicking the table. I can see there are different columns and rows. In databases, we call that as fields and records. Fields as columns, records as rows. I'll show you how to create a form in database. First go to create. We already select the table as customers. There are different groups it's given under create ribbon: tables, queries, forms, reports. So I'm going to select the form group and just click on the first button called form. I already create the form. So I can see the form view as customers and the details is given. So forms we are using to enter data to the table. We need to do some changes into this form. First, we have to change the design view of the form. Just go to view, design view. This is the design view of the form. Here we can see the table orders. This is a link or the relationship with other tables. It's not necessary at the moment. I'm going to click this and delete it. First, I'm going to change the customers, the title of the form. It appears in the form header. I change that into customers data entry form. So click outside to confirm it. I'm going to change this customers data entry form text box with dark background and white text. Click the text box, give a right click. Here we have fill color. Change that into black. So we can see that as black. Again, select the text box, give a right click, go to font, just select the color as white. We can change it according to our requirement. If I want to add the logo to the form, I'm going to increase the form header area by take the cursor and drag it down. Go to Form Design ribbon. Anyway, we are in the Form Design view. Go to Form Design ribbon. Here we can see controls, text boxes, label, buttons, and many other tools. Here we can see more controls by clicking this drop down arrow. Select the image button. Draw the suitable size of the logo. It automatically appears the insert picture window. Go to the suitable location and select the picture as you want. So it appears the logo in the right side corner of the form according to the requirement. I'll show you how to add buttons to the form. This is the button. Click on the button. Just draw the button in the detail area of the form. When you select the button, you can see there's a command button wizard window. In this, there are two columns, categories and actions. Select record navigation, how you are going to move the records, like go to next, go to previous. I'm going to select go to next, go to next button. Here we can see the sample picture. I just leave it as that. Go to next again. If you want, you can just rename it. I'm not going to do it. Just click on finish. I'm going to add another button. Another navigation, record navigation, select that. Go to previous record. Go to next. The sample picture is given. Go to next. Finish it. Make sure the button should be in the same size and arrange them in a proper layout. I'm going to add another button in different other category. Record navigation, we already did it. Now I'm going to select record operation. I'm going to select add new record. Select that. Go to next. The sample picture is given. Go to next. Finish. I already had 3 buttons, 2 navigation, 2 operation button, 1 operation button. Now I'm going to change the text box size. This side, left side, we can see the labels. This side we can see the text boxes. I'm going to select them together using this particular arrow-headed cross. Go to Arrange and Remove Layout. Click outside. Why I did that? Everything stuck together. I remove the layout to make sure to change the first field size, that means text box size, to 3 centimeters. Now I can select Customer ID text box. There's a property window. I can on and off the property window from Home ribbon. Form Design ribbon. Property sheet. Go to Width in Format category. Highlight it. Then type 3 cm. According to my requirement, 3 centimeters. Confirm it. So we can see the text box of customers, change that into 3 centimeters. So these are the main things which we can change in the form. We change the title, we add the buttons, we add a logo, and change the text box size. We'll see how it works. Again, go to the View, Form View. Now you can see how it works. Next record, previous record. If you just click this Add button, everything will appear as empty. We can add a new record by using this. I'll explain the queries, reports, relationships in another tutorial. Thank you.